Hi everyone, welcome to our channel MSN News. I hope you will be fine this time. Talk about 10K dramas turning 10 in 2026. From Song Jong Ki Song Hye Kyo's Descendants of the Sun to Gong Hyuk and Go Yeon's Goblin. Here is a long list of K-dramas turning a decade old this year, including some iconic runs that have stood the test of time. Written by Abhishek Rawal, journalist, published on 19 January 2026. We are hopping on the 2016 trend with a list of some of the most beloved K-dramas that are turning 10 years old during this trip around the sun. Number 1. Descendants of the Sun. A surgeon and a special forces officer cross paths and feel instant attraction, starting to date casually. However, as the captain in the South Korean army, his duty calls and he begins running away from her, unable to reveal anything to his girlfriend owing to the secrecy rules, leading to their eventual breakup. Months later, they reunite and are reassigned to the same war-torn area as a soldier and a medical volunteer. Whether they will be able to overcome their differences and get back together as enemies strike forms the central plot of the show. Cast Song Joong Ki, Song Hye Kyo, Shin Go, Kim Jae-won, director Baek Sang-hoon, Lee Young-book, number of episodes 16 plus third special. Genre action comedy romance melodrama, release date 24 February 2016. Where to watch: KBS, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, VTV, iQIYI, Hulu, Roku. Number 2, The Legend of the Blue Sea. Shim Cheng is a mermaid from the Joseon era who is desperate to find the one she loves. Once known as a nobleman's son, Kim Ryong, his doppelganger, now lives in modern-day Seoul as Hyo Chun-jae, a skilled can artist who uses his good looks and speaking skills to hoodwink pupil out of money with the help of his master and a computer hacking genius. After crossing paths, she begins to live in his home and learn about human ways during their time together. They develop feelings for each other, but with the clock ticking on her time on land, they must make a choice. Number 3, Goblin, Guardian, the Lonely and Great God. Kim Sen, a respected military general from the Goryeo dynasty, lives in the modern-day Seoul as a troubled goblin, hiding his identity from humans. 900 years have passed since his death, and he must live as an immortal in search of his bride. Only she can end his suffering by pulling out a sword that has pierced his heart and holds him accountable to this day. Geontek, a high school student, is the one he is looking for, unaware of her importance in his life. While living with a crime rapper, the two form a close bond and chase fate to convince the bride to do the task meet for her. Number 4, Moon Lovers Cult Heart Trio. Based on the Chinese novel Bobo Cheng Ixin by Zhong Hua, a modern-day woman, Go Ha-jen, gets transported back in time to the Goryeo city in the body of a woman named Heiso. There she comes across the many princes of the Wong family, where she falls in love with the 8th Prince Wong Book, but catches the eye of the 4th Prince Wong So. Unwillingly, she gets dragged into palace politics as the prize throne remains up for grabs. Number 5, Signal. Park Hae-young, a criminal profiler who distrusts the police, decides to take matters into his own hands by joining the force. He discovers a walkie-talkie that lets him take to a missing detective from the past, and the two form a task force alongside the leader of the cold case team to sort through cases. Number 6, Doctor Romantic. Kim Sa-bo, once a top-class surgeon in a famous hospital in Seoul, has resorted to a quiet neighborhood where he handles emergency patients and guides young aspiring professionals in his ways. He comes across two doctors who desperately need his help to survive in the world of medicine. Number 7, Ishwaran, the poet warrior yacht. The Queen Regent keeps her son away from the eyes of the world, but when the time comes for him to take power, she forms a new elite group of male yacht, the age-warring, who will forego the exciting rank systems and work to protect the throne. Unbeknownst to them, a threat lies among them just as well hidden as the Samyuking himself. Number 8, Love in the Moonlight. Hong on lives disguised as a man in order to protect her family and takes on the job of a Yeonj in the Crown Prince Hugh Myung's palace. Their entangled fates bring them closer to each other as unlikely partners, unaware of each other's identities. Will their love win, or will royal politics eat it alive? Number 9, uncontrollably fond. Formerly in love, Jin Young and Noyeol reunite as adults under the lives of a top actor, singer, and a documentary PD. As they begin to work on a project starring him, the entirely ice-cold star starts to melt around her, and the two fall for each other only to have a disease strip them of their happiness. Number 10, W2 words. Kongcheol is a webtoon character who gets saved by a real-life surgeon named Oh Hyun-jo, and she suddenly discovers that it is the very same word that her late father was working on before his demise, going in and out of the project depending on the wants of the lead character. She begins to develop a relationship with him. After 11 K-drama and OTT releases to check out in January 2026. Can This Love be translated to Signals Inferno Season 5? Credits KBS TVN. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice